Okay, so I'm going to quickly show you how to take realistic eyebrows made in Blender and bring it into Unreal Engine and keep it, looking nice. So how you create these particle eyebrows, this tutorial here shows how to. So go ahead and check that out if you haven't already. Okay, so what you want to do from here is you want to have each eyebrow in a individual particle group. I have them both in one particle group right now. So we're going to go ahead and separate them. So what you do is you go into the particle tab and you go ahead and mute out anything that's a distraction. And then you go into particle edit mode from object mode. And then you go to your selection tool, select anywhere, and then go ahead and highlight select just one eyebrow. Oh, it's not selecting. That means I'm in the wrong selection mode. Let's go to this one. This one usually works. Okay, so we selected them all, and then we're going to hit the delete key and select particles and try to select that and delete particles, and it's not working. So let's go ahead and go inside the mesh from the back, and let's go ahead and locate what we want to select and go ahead and delete that, and then let's go back outside the mesh, and yeah, so it's all deleted. There's nothing left there. So then what we do from here, we go back into object mode, and in the object mode we go to this wrench, which is the modifier properties, and we want to go ahead and convert this modifier. So if you click on this, you can see if that's that actual modifier. Go ahead and hit convert. It makes it into a mesh, and then we want to convert it to curve. So you go over the objects within the object mode, and then you convert to curve for mesh, and the eyebrows is very quick. Sometimes the hair takes a lot longer. So now right here we have curve for mesh. Let's go ahead and name it. So I underscore brows, right? Sorry, it's late. Brows, and that's the left side. Left. Okay, so eyebrows left. Okay, so we go ahead and mute that, and then we want to go back into particle. So you want to select your mesh, go back into, it's not letting me go into particle. Now it's letting me go to particle. So with mesh selected, you go to particle edit mode. You go ahead and hit the A key, which selects all particles. Then go to particle mirror. So now you have both eyebrows back. Go ahead and select anywhere with the selection. And this time we're going to delete the other eyebrow. So the left one this time is getting deleted. So go ahead and highlight select, hit delete, particles, highlight select, not selecting. Let's go back inside the mesh and select the bit we want to delete, hit delete, particles, and then we'll go back around just to make sure, and it is good. So from there, we're just doing the same process as before when we go into object mode, and then we go to convert, and it's converted, and then we go to object, convert, curves from mesh, and yeah, there it is. So we go ahead and name it. So it's a right eyebrow. So we go ahead, eyebrow, and right. So, oops, typo. Okay, so we got the left and the right eyebrow. So let's go ahead and hide those. And so the eyebrows are ready. Go back to particle mode, select mesh, particle mode, particle edit mode, and let's go ahead and get our eyebrow back. So let's go ahead and hit A, particles, mirror, Okay, so we can go ahead and unhide the other particle groups. So in the particle properties, let's go ahead and turn these back on. That way we can see what's going on again. Okay, so now each eyebrow you would export individually, and Alembic is probably the way to go, which I'm going to test that. But yeah, Alembic, and then you bring it as a groom into Unreal Engine, and then you don't bother with the Niagara system because we don't want it dynamic. Okay, so these are other videos I've made. You'd probably want to follow this one if you haven't done grooms yet in Unreal Engine. This tells you what plugins and settings you need to enable and disable. And then from there, you want to follow this tutorial. For the eyebrows, you don't need to add the groom, Niagara system. For the hair, the beard, things like that, you want to add the Niagara system from this tutorial. Anyway, that's it for this tutorial, and yeah.